In front of me is R2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. To access wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner and operate all of those however you want to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Yes, tap Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!